First, place the clamps on top of the fixture like this. Make sure the labels are pointed to the ends of the fixture, not to the side, like this. If you try to fit a clamp with the label pointing to the side like this, you have the wrong clamp. Lift the fixture and place one clamp into the fixture like this. Then, hold the fixture up to place the other clamp, but not like this, because the clamp will probably fall off. Here's the easy way. When placing the first clamp, don't let go of it. Place the other clamp like this. Now, place the fixture into the T-bar. Do the other end exactly the same as the first. It's not necessary to drill any holes. Insert the screw into the label end first to ensure correct positioning. Then screw the sides. With two electricians, the same procedure is followed by both, and the installation is obviously much quicker.